There is nothing better than the smell of freshly baked bread, but as we all know, bread making is an art, and just like any other art, having the perfect tools for the job really helps. Hi guys, I'm Varun and I'm here to introduce you the Meyer Bakemaster French Baguette Tray. This non-stick tray is perfect for making French baguettes at home. It is made from carbon steel, making it super durable, and since the non-stick coatings are FDA approved and 100% safe, bread making is going to be an everyday job for you. Let me show you my favorite recipes that I make in this tray.